In this video, I'll show you how to add a new product to your store. So click on the products link and then add product. In the next page, you will be able to add a simple kind of information for your first product. So I will just use very generic info, for example, white short sleeve t-shirt. Here's the room for description, so I will simply add product description, goes here. You can specify product type, so simply add t-shirt, which you can then use for future products this type. It will be shown as the drop-down menu later on. You can add a vendor if you have got product sourced from different vendors. If not, simply leave it empty. And you can be able to add the product to one or more collections. We don't have any collections yet, but it will be possible once you have more collections. You can add tags as well. They improve the visibility of your products in your store. For example, if someone is searching for is using this search function on your website, so you can add tags such as ladies. If that's a ladies t-shirt, you can add different varieties of the same word. T-shirt, t-shirt, because you don't know what kind of form of this t-shirt people will be searching for. Here's the place to add product images, so you can drop them here or simply add them from your computer. I will be using Pixabay for finding any royalty-free images to add to our trial store. I found this great image on the transparent background, so I'll simply download it for free. And I will now add it to my Shopify store. The image is added. I can now customize it, or I can now optimize for SEO by adding alt text. Simply click on image and add alt text. Click enter. And this alt tag makes it very, very easy for Google bots to read the images. Next, add the pricing. If you use compare the price, you can use it to run temporary discounts. For example, if you wanted to have say that the t-shirt was £12 beforehand, you can add it £12, so it will be, this price will be crossed off and £10 will be shown as the current price. You can use inventory if you are obviously using the system. If your dropshipping is not that important, but if you have only a number of SKUs available, make sure to update it. Obviously, room for barcode, how many you've got available. If you're dropshipping, I could just put like 100. But if you've got limited number, obviously put the number there that you need. This is physical product, so if you're selling digital downloads, obviously untick that. If you will be using weight-based shipping, you can specify how heavy is the item, so the shipping will be calculated at the checkout. Customs information, so this is useful if you're drop shipping from China or other countries, so make sure to specify it as well here. If you want to add variants such as different colors or different sizes, this is the place to do that. So simply tick this box, add size. Okay, so we have now added one variant, so one option with 3 different variants. You can also change the price if you wanted to. also specify how many of each variant have you got of these available. You can put different SKUs here as well, barcodes, and easily delete if you wanted to get rid of one of those variants. And then right at the very bottom, you will be able to edit the Google snippet of this product. So click on Edit Website SEO. So you can specify meta title, meta description. You can put up to 165 characters. Disregard this information that is included here. It's a little bit outdated. The current limit is 165 characters for Google. You can also edit URL to make them shorter and more SEO friendly. So simply edit small bit and then click save. Now let's preview how this product looks like. As you can see, the product image is here, product title, add to cart, buy it now, product descriptions right below, and the variant are right here, so people can choose it and pick the size they want and quickly check out.